That's right.
Hello guys, in another episode, and this episode I will try just to share with you what I've learned this morning about packages using again the same documentation that I tried to discuss last time. So it's the joy of packaging. It's very friendly documentation you can get started with. So anyway, I tried just to understand the difference between packages and modules, and I get to know the difference between both concept, and I understand that module is always correspond to a single file that always can be group of classes, functions, any Python, functionality. Then the package is also, a module. It can be a module, but the only difference is packages can be directories that could contain many modules or many other subdirectory packages as well. So to simply, package is collection of modules, and module is just a single Python file that we're using all the time. That can have classes, functions, tests, etc. So here I try just to type, to document things I learned about packages. So as I said here, packages are always, directory of modules. It can be, collection of modules, collection of, subdirectory packages. But there is something very important inside any package, and it's a dependency file. It's called, init.py. So this file is, I said it's a dependency because without this file you cannot mark your directory as a package, and also if you try to remove this file from your package, your the Python version you have, let's say Python 3, will not be able to look for these packages if you try, for example, to import them. So here I try just to give a little example how this works. So let's say we have a package, and this package has, of course, the dependency file init.py, and it has also two modules. We have module core a.py, module b.py, and then we have a subdirectory package that also contains, again, dependency file init.py and modules. Let's say C. So here init.py is always used to mark your directory as a package. So if we don't use this, if I don't include init.py, your Python will no longer be able to look for subdirectory packages. So let's say I want to use the code that inside this module, for example module a.py, I should say something like from package import module a, okay? But or maybe I can say import package.module a. But if I don't have init.py included in my directory as a dependency file, this can cause errors, and also the code inside module a will not be accessed by using Python. So Python will not be able to look for this code inside module.a, so it means your module is not finding. So that's why you should always use init.py, and yeah, if you don't use it, it means you are not marking your directory as a package. So this is just a way for me to document this. I tried here to put some resources that helps me to understand why or what init.py is used for. So if I this is just an archive web page, so it's very old web page, but it's very important to mention this as well in the description box so that you can take a look at it. And yes, just to understand why init.py is used for. And also here we have another one, is a post on Stack Overflow, which take the same resource to explain why we need to use init.py file inside Python packages. So here this guy has this response is based on on this page, so you can take a look at this and see all the responses just to understand more why you should use any.py inside any package. So that's what I've learned until now about packages in Python, and I stopped, here. So I will read a little bit about this and to understand more about the tools that packages in Python use, and also some. I try just to have a little information about basic package structure as well. So I would try to do this in the next episode as I try to learn this and understand it, so that I can share with you this and make it more clean to you. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
Could ask your